Here I'm is. Here I'm is. Yeah, I cleaned out behind the house for the oil guy, and I need tools. Kind of awkward with the camera. Maybe I could put it in the other hand. Let's see. Hang on. And I got two ways I can do this. So I can change hands. There we go. Yeah, I'm just kind of digging myself a trail, so I don't have to walk through 10 inches of snow, but I'm almost there. Yeah, really. See? Up a hill. Can't dig that deep now. Yeah, I have taken breaks along the way. Look at the roof. Yeah, it's a good 9 inches of snow. I should get out the roof rake and clean off that porch. It's getting wet. Alright, I got metal. You guys don't. I'm going to finish this right here. Oh, gotta curve it. Come on, bring it home. Alright, I'm here. And there's all my tools. Oh, look at this thing. It's been sitting here for a couple months now. Hang on. We'll get you there. No, I don't think I need any of these. No, as long as I got my sockets. Oh, a screwdriver, just in case. All right. Need a sideways view? Oh, hang on a minute. No sideways view. Oh, the Beaver guy did work at this, didn't he, huh? Oh, hell yeah. Hey? Nice job, Beaver guy. I don't know where the hell your counterpart was, Gary. Absolutely useless guy he was. I bet all he did was hold the camera. Alright, we're going to go in and maybe have some breakfast, and we'll be out and fix that. Oh, I got metal.